Good morning. I'm Dr. Sheikh Sweeto Eswatini Daily News headlines for this Friday. Your leading stories. eMaswati can heave a sigh of relief as the Ministry of Health has revealed 70% of essential medicines are now available in public health facilities. This is contained in the ministry's response questions raised by MPs following tabling of the second quarter performance report. In other news, a winner was disqualified based on questions surrounding his eligibility to compete under a constituency. Finosa Samweni had apparently participated in Mfongwaneni Inkundla, where he was told he was not supposed to participate after he had finished first. He then went to Zombodze Emuva, where he came first and unfortunately disqualified again. In other news, as civil servants lick their lips in anticipation next week for Thula following the salary review, Minister of Public Service Mabulala Maseko has issued a statement stating that government hopes the 100% salary review will impact civil servants and families. In sports news, the 70,000 Emalangeni bounty for eMaswati are for grabs at this year's Imbuwe Marathon taking place this Saturday. The champion of the 42 kilometers will take home 35,000 Emalangeni, plus the best Eswatini winner carrying the same incentive. Speaking to Eswatini National Provident Fund Communications Officer Lucito Tsela, this is what he had to say.
Ngemgcibelo nje sonke sizabe siphelele kaSomhlolo nyaloke asisabidi ke emsakade ongeMaswati noma bonke labo labafisa kuyojoyina kepha sesibita bona labo lababhalisa ukuthi sesifikile lesikhathi kucela nje kuto tonke tingijimi phela nawo ongeMaswati labhalisile ukuthi akatimisele ngaye nalomgcibelo atimisele kuze kuthi le ndondo noma lesicoco sisale khona lapha eVenda.
In other news, Royal Leopard FC is set to face AS Maniema Union this coming Saturday for CAF Confederation Cup second preliminary round. We spoke to the team's captain Moses Mzorozamini, and this is what he had to say.
Simalungiselelo ahamba kahle. Iteam right sonke siphilile kude nje lo khalako kumbe lo gulako kumbe lo njani. Iteam iphilile and ilungiselela lo mdlalo omkhulu wangemgcibelo. And sengaba kuthembisa nje eMaswatini ukuthi sitawuzama ngawo konke lokusemandleni ethu ukuthi umjika welive siwuphakamise la kule live lase Congo.